We are continuing to answer your good questions about the coronavirus. Here's Joe Chiodo.
As we've reported, stay-at-home orders for many counties expired today. Kansas City, Missouri is still in place.
And one of our viewers, Connie, asked, once it's lifted, if you travel out of state, upon re-entry, will you be required to self-quarantine for 14 days?
The answer in most cases is no. You will not have to self-quarantine for traveling. But if you are notified after returning here that you came into contact with somebody who has COVID-19 while you were out of state, then you should self-quarantine and get tested for coronavirus.
Keep in mind, this applies to both Kansas and Missouri. Our next question, viewer Rick Stone wanted to know, does asymptomatic really mean asymptomatic? Will these people show symptoms later? This is a really good question. The World Health Organization says there are actually very few cases in which a patient tests positive and has zero symptoms for the entire course of the disease. Usually symptoms will pop up later.
And in this ProPublica article, a doctor with the World Health Organization says most of the people who were thought to be asymptomatic aren't truly asymptomatic. When we went back and interviewed them, most of them said, actually, I didn't feel well, but I didn't think it was an important thing to mention. I had a low-grade temperature or aches, but I didn't think that counted.
And our last question, should I wear gloves while grocery shopping? No, neither the CDC or the World Health Organization have deemed this necessary. The reason? Cross-contamination. No matter if you're wearing gloves or not, you're still touching store items, the cart, and likely personal items over the course of a grocery shopping trip, which tends to be about 20 minutes or more. Then you dispose of the gloves. This could actually lead to more of a spread of germs than simply washing your hands. Doctors say washing for 20 to 25 seconds is still your best bet. Joe Chiodo, KCTV5 News.